Good morning all of you and welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn a lesson Happy Deepavali. This lesson actually we were supposed to learn before Deepavali because the festival fell on Deepavali day. The festival fell on Saturday. It was announced as holiday for us. That's why we were unable to learn. So before the festival, if you could have learned this lesson, you might have understood the meaning of Deepavali and some precautions you might have learned how to crack the crackers and how to celebrate in a careful way. So anyhow, it will help you for the next year Deepavali. So we learn this lesson today. So through this lesson we learn what is Deepavali for the people of Andhra Pradesh and how the Deepavali is celebrated in India also, and what is the other name that the people call this festival, and some precautions that we have to take to protect our health during the time of this festival while you are cracking the crackers or while you are lighting the lamps. All those things we learn through this lesson. Let us see. Read this lesson carefully and follow the advice. You will enjoy Deepavali very much. It is given at the beginning of the lesson. So by following this, by listening the lesson, if you celebrate Deepavali, you will enjoy Deepavali very much. So already you enjoyed. Next year you will enjoy. We celebrate Deepavali every year. It is called Diwali in North India and Deepavali in Andhra Pradesh. So every year we celebrate this festival, Deepavali. In Andhra Pradesh we call Deepavali. In Andhra Pradesh we call this festival Deepavali. But in northern India, they call this festival Diwali. What is northern India? Which states are there in northern India? Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, Chandigarh. All these states will come under northern India, which means these states are located in the north side of our country. If you could observe the Indian map, you will see all those states in north side in our country map. So in these states they call Deepavali as Diwali. So northern Indian people call this festival Diwali. It is also known as a festival of lights. In English we call it is a festival of lights. What is a festival of lights? Deepavali or Diwali is known as a festival of lights. On that day we light lamps and light crackers. The houses and the shops are lit with different colors, different color lamps, and night sky is lit with different colors of soaring rockets in the sky. So what do we do on that day? Since in the name of the festival itself there is a word Deepavali, Deepam. So on that day we light lamps. On that day we generally light lamps and we light the crackers. We light the crackers as well. Children are fond of generally lighting the crackers. What is mean by crackers? Crackers. A firework that explodes with a big noise. The firework that explodes with a big noise is called as cracker. When you light it with a candle or with some matchstick, it will explode and produce very loud noise, and we all enjoy by listening that and we crack that on that day. They are called as crackers. So the houses and shops are lit with different color lamps, and at night the sky is lit with different colors of soaring rockets in the sky. During night time on the day of Diwali or Deepavali, all the shops or all the house are filled with lights. We light the lights, we light the candles, or we light the lights which will burn with the help of oil, and we keep all around our house. We don't see darkness anywhere. We fill the house, or we fill the shops, or we fill all our surroundings with a lot of light by welcoming light in our life. And we also see during night time different colors of rockets soaring in the sky. Soaring means flying. Soaring means flying. Soaring. Flying. And what will be flying during night time on the day of Deepavali? Rockets. Children and elders, they light the rockets and they leave it into the sky. They'll go shining brightly into the sky, and there they explode, and we all enjoy that. So this is what we do during night time on the day of Diwali festival or Deepavali festival. Children wear new clothes and play. Parents are busy preparing mouth-watering dishes and sharing them with their friends and relatives. When the children are so busy with their crackers, by lighting the lights and by lighting the rockets and sending them to the sky, what do the parents do? Parents will also be busy in another way by preparing mouth-watering dishes. So children wear on that day clothes and they play. They wear new clothes, not clothes, but new clothes. They wear new clothes on that day and they enjoy by playing with the other children, and they play outside. Parents are busy preparing mouth-watering dishes. Mouth-watering dishes means very tasty. Mouth-watering. Mouth-watering means very tasty. Very tasty and delicious. Dishes. Dishes. Dishes means food items. Prepared food items. What you buy outside in the shop, in the bakery, they cannot be called as dishes. If you prepare food item on your own or by the help of your family members at your home, they can be called as dishes. So, because they are all baked things, what you buy outside in the bakery. So, our parents, they will be busy, father and mother will be very busy in preparing variety of mouth-watering dishes, very tasty food items to give to their children. And after preparing, they will share these sweets or the dishes with their friends and relatives who come to their houses. So this is how we celebrate Diwali. This is the way that we follow in celebrating Deepavali in Andhra Pradesh as well as in India. And now we learn some instructions. We call them precautions. There are some precautions given on how to celebrate Deepavali, because this is a little dangerous festival as well. If something goes wrong, we can burn our body or there may be fire accidents as well. Therefore, in order to celebrate Deepavali in a peaceful way, we need to follow some precautions. They have given some precautions. Let us see some precautions. First one, on the Deepavali day, you find lighted lamps everywhere. Hence, you do not wear nylon cloths. Nylon cloths can catch fire easily. Instead, wear cotton cloths. On the day of Deepavali, everywhere you see the lights and candles lighted, and they will be burning everywhere. Therefore, when you are moving here and there, you need to keep your dress safe, because if you wear nylon cloths, nylon is a type of cloth, as we have got different types of cloths like linen, cotton, nylon, polyester, like different fabrics or different cloths are available. So this nylon, very easily it can catch the fire, because it has the nature of catching fire. It is made using some it is a synthetic one made out of chemicals, therefore it can easily catch the fire. Therefore it is not safe to wear on that day, because we do not know when you are moving, walking around the lamps, if it catches, it can easily burn your body and you may be at trouble. Therefore instead of wearing nylon cloths, we should wear cotton cloths. These cotton cloths can also catch fire, but not as quick as nylon. Comparing to nylon, cotton is safe to wear on that day. That is the first point or precaution that we have to keep in our mind. Second point, girls should be especially careful with their dupattas. They should avoid long flowing clothes. Boys should wear full sleeved shirts and trousers. So in the second point, the writer is focusing on the girls. He is particularly suggesting girls not to wear very long flowing clothes, because when they wear long flowing clothes, they will not be noticing what is happening with them. The cloth which is flowing can catch the fire. Therefore the girls should not wear on that day dupattas. Dupattas means scarf, a kind of scarf. Dupattas means scarf. It is a cloth which the women use to cover their head. So girls have to use on that day. They are not supposed to use dupattas, or they are not supposed to use long flowing clothes. Very comfortable and cotton clothes they should use, and boys should wear full sleeved shirts and trousers. Full sleeved shirt with full sleeves and trousers, pants. On Deepavali day, many of your cousins and friends visit you. Third point, this is on Deepavali day, many of your cousins and friends visit you. You may also visit them. Don't play hide and seek and other games which usually you play because of the lamps around the place. So on the day of Deepavali, you may go to your relative's house, or your relatives or your friends may visit your house. On that day, it is better not to play any game. Usually the children play on the other days or during nights, like a hide and seek or other games for fun. But if you play on that day, you may likely to be harmed by the lights. In what way? Because when you were playing the game, unknowingly you may touch any light and it may catch fire. That may lead to serious problems. Therefore, on the day of Diwali, it is not so safe to play any games like a hide and seek and other games for children. And fourth point, be careful while lighting crackers. While cracking them, we should be aware of what we are doing, and we should see our surroundings. We should not light the cracker and put on another person, or in the presence of our parents only, we should light the crackers. So there are many more points we see in the next class. Thank you.